Learning masti. One little balloon flying in the sky, two round balls rolling by, three red apples on a tree, four fast cars beat with glee, five shiny stars that sparkle bright, six good books to read at night, seven pretty flowers in a row, eight small birds chirp and go. Nine fun toys on the floor, 10 bright candles, let's count more. 11 books are stacked on a shelf. 12 frogs are jumping near a pond. 13 two kites are flying in the sky. 14 candies are on a plate. 15 umbrellas are open in the rain. 16 hats are hanging on a wall. 17 drums are playing a rhythmic tea. 18 glass of juice of Juna table. 19 robots are dancing in a line. 20 balloons are tied to a bench.
Like, share, subscribe.